Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this product. It came in a box like this and there were 3 of them. Very bright, vibrant, shimmery, shiny colors. You got orange, blue, and green. I'm using the green right now in the car. So it came with these to help wrap, which I like because you can reuse them. And these are just soft. They're just very sleek and soft. And I really don't like the stiff cables, but these are really soft and bendy. So I really like that. They seem to be well made. Show you the connectors, and it's working really well. You got quick charge and all that, and these are working really well. And this is my favorite length. This is metal over here, and then this is hard plastic, and then it goes into this. So there you go. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.